Let's train. Speedster style.
Damn, Jesse's almost as fast as Barry.
Velocity's just under Mach 3, heart rate 100 BPMs, her vitals are normal.
No, we already know all that. Cisco, we need to test her reflexes. Can we test her reflexes?
Patience, Harry. Patience. If anyone's going to teach Jesse the ways of the Speed Force,
It's Barry.
thank you.
Okay, well that wasn't very heroic.
Nope. But there's a lesson in there somewhere.
What's that?
The difference between having powers and having precision.
Well, what do you mean?
I mean, it's going to take more than speed to take down some of these metas. You got to think, anticipate. When you enter a new environment, you got to case every inch of it. You never run in blind. Oh my God. I've become Oliver.